happening right now. What's up guys, this is Troy Scott, and I just came back from the fair. I'm just so tired right now, but I'm super excited. I don't want to wait till tomorrow to film this. It's a unboxing video. I haven't seen you guys for a while, but I've been waiting for this moment almost 5 months, so I'm just gonna do it tonight. It's the iPhone 7 Plus. So it's the first day the Apple launched the phone. I'm gonna unbox the phone case first, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna be rude. I don't have any unboxing knife or anything. I'm just gonna tear them apart and just gotta get them open. Oh wow, I like Apple's packaging. It's pretty cool. I got the black iPhone 7 Plus or iPhone 7 case or whatever that thing is. I'm just gonna put it on the side over here for a while. Then I'm gonna open the magic box. Oh my gosh, this looks gorgeous. I have to take a video. Take pictures. I just cracked my old phone, iPhone 6s, on Instagram or Snapchat. And do you guys know how to open this thing? This is very... Oh, we don't need a knife anymore. We can just do this. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I can't believe it's happening right now. So you will see the paperwork. I'm not gonna read it, and like nobody's gonna read this. The force touch from the bottom and the stickers. I like it. Oh my goodness! Look, this dual camera is amazing. I love this phone. Kisses. I was going to get the jet black, but I'm glad I didn't get the jet black because it's very easy to scratch. I heard, so I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna put this over here on the side for a while. We got the earbuds, or the lightning earbuds, because we don't have the headphone jack. So I guess it's the lightning headphone, and we got the adapter too. So we got the lightning earbuds and the adapter. We don't get the fancy tiny plastic box anymore, and it's just some paper in here. Yeah. That smells so good. I love to smell the new phone. Just amazing. And this one is like chargers and everything. And we got this. I have like 5 of this at home. And our lightning cable. And I'm gonna open this thing. Yeah. Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love the big phone. It feels so weird. You can touch it. You can like press this a force touch home button. You can do anything. You can actually push it.
Voiceover on. Springboard.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
Hello.
Wait, I don't need this. How do you turn this off?
Voiceover off.
Hello. Wait. Okay, I think that's my unboxing video. I have nothing else to show you guys. But that's pretty cool. And I'm super tired. I just want to go to bed after this. And I love you guys. I haven't posted any videos in like 3 weeks, but I try my best to keep things updated. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.